8點，咁我用1個鐘去機場。不過尋晚都唔係瞓得咁好，因為就嚟要出發，整埋台證，差唔多都已經2點半啦，係揾我啲隊友，係啦，陣間見。咁而家就嚟到機場啦，咁準備就去台灣啦。咁而家係距離比賽嘅2日前啦。咁而家等埋我嘅戰友咧，咁陣間就準備上飛機啦。不過陣間咧就食少少嘢先，係啦。不過因為尋日都搞埋入台證咧，就唔係瞓得咁好，不過唔緊要。今日都好多行程要去做，我哋陣間見。廿分鐘到到啦，其實。
She want fillers but can't even cook no dinners. They say they killin' but must be kidding. Cause we been on the block and no one's spinning. If I let Ski beat at the ops right now, cops ain't gonna know who did it. But I gotta hold back for a minute cause bro just blocked something up, no limit. I ain't the type to be sitting on couches, show me the money, I'll get that sorted. And if I go broke then you best believe I'm up for the hills like Forest. Out in the countryside, I'm bugging and caught me a country line. Few O's for the price of a unit, got me screaming this country's mine.
Diamond shine might lose your vision, better close your eyes. Yo, circle smoke I get to.
自己個咧，台灣嘅開心果奶茶啦，39蚊台幣啫，兌翻港紙咧就係10蚊左右啦，開心果味啦，有奶茶味啦，再加埋就開心果奶茶味。
咁我哋而家就啱啱落咗飛機啦，咁轉巴士去酒店，距離比賽仲有2日啦。少少嘢分享俾大家，點樣去控制自己個運動員嘅心理素質啦？無論係比賽啦，或者係表演前啦，咁其實我覺得最重要係調整自己點樣去睇呢件事，好宏觀嘅思維。就嚟入呢個比賽，咁反而你要諗嘅嘢唔係太專注於你比賽嘅時候嗰種嘅緊張同期待，你應該放翻喺當日你需要做嘅嘢。反而呢2日對我自己嚟講啦，其實就係可以諗嘅，可以諗比賽要做啲咩，可以做啲咩，但係就唔好過分去思考，因為到時嘅情況其實係你自己先會知道。所以呢2日其實對我自己嚟講就俾自己放鬆少少，盡自己嗰個訓練計劃啦，自己嘅進步啦，你會相信你喺比賽嘅時候會做到出嚟。我覺得呢樣嘢係對無論咩事都好。好，咁我哋陣間食啲嘢先，咁陣間去小龍嘅場地就試一試講，我哋陣間再見。
Yo, so many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now, you done all this to make me look weird. If it's you or me that speak on you, I'll be deep in life, but I try not to reflect on life while pre in the view. I've been lied to way too much, I don't even believe the truth. Aye. My vision was blurry and I didn't know how to clean it. I was happier when I was broke. Aye. It's an awkward feeling. My family know I ain't be myself, some things that I gotta deal with. Aye. Fuck the money, fuck the fame. And if shit goes wrong today, aye, who else are they gonna blame? If I don't help you out.
啱啱就嚟到場地試幹啦，咁其實我覺得出面個氛圍係真係好正嘅，我係非常之期待可以去到比賽啦，咁去比賽以七贏啦，或者係試其他更加勁嘅嘢啦，同其他選手見面，係啦，咁呢2日我覺得就好好休息啦，然之後直接就比賽完啦，我哋比賽到再見。200塊
fillers, but can't even cook no dinners. They say they killin', but must be kidding. Cause we've been on the block and no one's spinning. If I let ski beat at the ops right now, cops ain't gonna know who did it.
啱啱浸完個温泉，哇！feel 到成身有啲軟奶奶啊！不過而家去出仔買少少嘢，咁啊，差唔多就陣間就準備休息啦。係啊，我哋聽日見啦。OK。